Hello everyone, welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry. When you got a 3D printer, test the performance of the printer will be the first thing, I suppose. Usually, the printer will give you a printing sample which is already changed to G format and optimized. Usually, it will be the first artifact you have got from that printer. It looks very nice in my case. Can you also print the same quality as that, and how preciseness the printer can reach? This is my concern from now. After dozens of success or failure printing goods, I think that I should also check my 3D printer more detailed. From the internet, for your future designing with your 3D printer. I put the link below if you are also interested in your printer's performance. In my case, the printer performs quite well. In very small size, like below 2 mm, you cannot expect it will go smooth. It looks like the printer has dead space which can't handle. Above that critical point, the printed size is quite correct. It will give you about 0.2 mm deviation. It is considered to fit the tolerance of the printer. Apparently, it does good job in square shape than round shape at small size. The negative pattern usually smaller than you designing a little, especially in round shape. You can live with that if you already know what will happen when printing. Then I run the third test. In this test, I decreased the printing temperature from 200 degrees C to 190 degrees C. The optimized temperature is determined by temperature test. The size is 75 × 85 mm². In large scale, the size is really good. Also, in small area such as 1 or 2 mm, it improved a lot. But in large area, there are still some issues should be fixed. And I always have issue with the text font. Maybe the font size is too small, 3 mm high. I will keep searching the suitable fonts for my printer. Also, I have run the tolerance test using the file downloaded from Thingiverse. I'm glad to know it gave me a 0.15 mm tolerance. Finally, I run a complex test using the file from Thingiverse. Briefly, it gives me an idea what my printer can do. From the printed result, I confirm that my 3D printer is in quite a good mood. Till now, I want to say the printer is worth having. It is quite good, since the price of the printer is less than 40,000 Japanese yen. I'm glad that I have chose a good one as my first printer. If you also do the similar test as I have done, you will know the printer specifications in 0.1 mm range whole scale. Hope it will help you a little. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss the updates. TubeU channel is waiting for you.